ready for you now.
Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video, I am getting my kids' bedrooms ready for them to come home. They have been spending time at my mom's house and at my mother-in-law's house, so they're about to come home. I cannot wait. I am so excited because they've literally been gone all summer long. So I wanted to come in. I had already washed their sheets and I just wanted to get their beds made and just kind of go through with the duster and just dust things because they just haven't, no one's been in here and things got a little dusty. But my daughter's room was way more dustier than my son's room. I don't know. I guess because her bedroom window is literally right there at our driveway, and we do have a gravel driveway. So, and I'm also going to be cleaning their bathroom. I have not touched that since they left. I don't even go in there, but it just needed a good cleaning. So that will be getting done as well. And then their side of the house will be clean. Um, and ready for them. We go and pick them up Saturday morning. We are meeting my in-laws in Dallas, Texas to go pick them up because it's like a halfway point for us. But by the time this video goes up, the kids will be home and I am so excited. I have missed them. I just haven't missed their arguing. And my daughter, she'll call me or FaceTime me and we'll sit there and just be talking. And all of a sudden, her and my son, they just start arguing. I'm like, yeah, I'm not listening to this. So I'll just get off the phone with them and just let them argue and not have to listen to it. That's the only thing I don't miss. But last night, me and my husband, we were in the pool just hanging out and enjoying the peace and quiet before they get home. And we were just talking. And September, our son will be 17. I can't believe it. They grow up so fast. He'll be 17. And here in Louisiana, we have to pay for them to take a driving course. So they get to do this whole driving class and then they do the course, then they get their license at the end. But he has not been interested in getting a driver's license until now. So, so we're going to be doing that when he gets home, get him signed up for that throughout the year. And then our daughter turns 15 in February. And she's already informed me that she's not like her brother and she wants to get her learners. So I have to get her signed up for that class as well. And it's like $1,000 for the course. It's like you take the whole class, then they got the driving course, and then your license. So, I mean, it's all included in everything. There's cheaper ones around. We just gotta find them. But yeah, and then I was telling my husband, I was like, well, I guess next Christmas both kids get vehicles for Christmas and call it done because uh this is crazy. Both of my kids is going to be driving here pretty soon and they're teenagers. They grow up so fast. If you guys got little ones, enjoy it while you can because mine are almost grown. Can't believe it. So now I'm just going to get her bed made, and she is just like me with all these stuffed animals that she has just kept over the years. I used to always have them on my bed when I was her age. When I made my bed, I would just put them all out. Now, every stuffed animal my husband has bought me over the years for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, I've just got all those sitting in the top of my closet. There's just some things I have a hard time getting rid of, and especially when it has a lot of meaning behind it and a lot of memories. I keep it. But this little container right here that we had the chickens in, this trough, that actually gets taken out. I was just waiting on my husband to get home to help me because I did not want to drag it through the house and scratch up my hardwood floors. So I was just waiting until he got home, and then we just drug it out that evening when he got home.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. I can tell what time it is. The thing is I don't really care, 'cause I got no place to be other than right here. You look so.
So I was just dusting my daughter's shelves, and she puts a lot of Lego stuff together on the other cabinet. It has her castle on there that took her like a week to build. So I don't pick it up and dust. I just dust around it, and I knocked over the chess pieces on her Harry Potter chessboard that she had put together, and like even the little pieces, she put those all together. And I'm just afraid to touch them because I don't want to break them or them fall apart on me. So I just dust around it, and because she's worked hours on those, so I don't want to destroy it for her. And I'm just getting the oil diffusers going. The rooms smell good, and the oil I am using is called Vampire Blood, and it's just a refill wallflowers from Bath and Body Works. I always use that stuff, and I just pull the little wicks out of it, and I pour a little bit in my diffuser with some water, and then the house smells good for hours. So I would rather use those than actual essential oils because there's not a lot of essential oils that I like. And I've tried a bunch of different ones, but like the lavender is my all-time favorite. I use the lavender essential oil for a lot of different things. I do make my own lavender linen spray, which is so easy, and it's so much cheaper to make it yourself than buying it from the stores. Because before I figured out how to make it, I was actually buying it from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I was paying $10 for a small bottle. And so I just figured out how to make it myself, and super easy. I will show you guys in another video how to make it. And then I like the pumpkin spice essential oil. I love that for fall and Halloween. But other than that, I use all the Bath and Body Works oils for my diffusers to make the house smell good.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through.
So when it comes to cleaning my toilet, I start from the top, and I'll get that top lid, and then I will wipe the handle down, and then get the back of the toilet. And right here, you'll see me changing out my rag here in a second. I will do that little part right there because it's always nasty, And then I just take the rag and go down around the base of the toilet and get a fresh rag, because you do not want to spread that nastiness onto your toilet lid, and that is where you sit. And this is how I clean my toilets. I had seen a TikTok video, and this girl, she started from the base of her toilet up. She was just not cleaning it properly, and it really just grossed me out knowing people are going to be touching the handle, and she used that rag on the base of her toilet and the toilet seat and everything. Oh, it just grossed me out so bad. But this is just the way I clean my toilet, because I tried to do it and make it as clean as possible and as sanitized as possible. I mean, because think about this, is like the nastiest thing in your house. This is where you put your ass. So I tried to make sure it's clean and sanitized very well. But I'm just getting the floor vacuumed before I get the tub cleaned, because when I moved the trash can and the toilet bowl cleaner stuff, I had noticed there was some bath salts right there. I guess my daughter's little jar of bath salt got knocked over and broke, so there was glass everywhere. So I was trying to get all that cleaned up, and now I'm going to get started on that tub.
Days and nights won't stop for traffic lights, and I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
And I forgot to say, I also want to say sorry I didn't upload a video for last Tuesday. I was sick. Me and my husband had went to the grocery store, and a little kid was near me and sneezed, and I got a summer cold. So I was sick for a week, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.